That was it. That was the last ring of the bell during the examination week. A second quarter ended. Students cheered and yelled. It was mayhem. As everyone was having fun and excitement because physics is finally over, a sudden realization came into their minds. It is time for biology.
Oh my gosh, I hate bio, like GRRRR.
Oh yeah, me too. I just hate memorizing. I hate it like, ugh. How about you, girl?
Yeah, boy! How are we going to survive?
Chill, guys. Let's just hope for the best for the quarter. But for now, let's all just cry. Hoo 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 hoo.
Little did they know, their world would turn upside down in just a jiffy. And so their journey began as Group Pisces.
Is a complex collection of nerves and specialized cells called neurons. These neurons transmit signal between the different parts of our body. The nervous system has two main divisions, the peripheral nervous system and the central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is divided into two, the afferent division or the sensory division and the motor division or the efferent division. The motor division is then divided into two main divisions, the autonomic or the involuntary division and the somatic or the voluntary nervous system. Involuntary nervous system is divided into two, the parasympathetic and the sympathetic division. That's all for the nervous system.
The endocrine system is responsible to help the body carry out many functions. It is made up of glands that secrete hormones. These hormones regulate our mood, growth, metabolism, tissue development, sexual functions, and reproductive processes. This is composed of the hypothalamus, thymus, parathyroid, thyroid, pituitary gland, adrenal glands, and gonads. That's all.
Then, baby, let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things. Let's talk about the human reproductive system. The human reproductive system functions to produce human offspring. The male reproductive system primarily consists of external organs. The testis in the scrotum produces the male gamete called sperm, which is ejaculated in seminal fluid by the females, while the female reproductive system primarily consists of internal organs. The female gamete ovum is produced in the ovary, which is released monthly through ovulation. Fertilization can occur through sexual intercourse, and if an ovum is in the uterus and the sperm fertilizes the ovum, it can become a zygote, and the zygote becomes a fetus, and then 9 months later it becomes a baby. That's all.
So let's talk about genetics. Genetics is a study of genes, but not these type of genes, genes within our bodies, genetic variation, and heredity in living organisms. Heredity is a biological process where a parent passes on their traits to their offspring or children. Every child inherits genes from both of their biological parents, and these genes in turn express specific traits. Some of these traits may be physical, for example hair and eye color. And on the other hand, some genes may also carry the risk of certain diseases. and disorders that may pass on from parents to their offspring, like Hazzelle Mae P.
See this painting? Well, that is actually how cities looked like back then, but if you compare it to what we have today, it seems different. It has changed and improved. And that, people, is what we call evolution. For Module 3, we learned all about it, including the theories of Lamarck, which is the theories of use and disuse, theory of need, and theory of acquired characteristics. While decades later, Darwin published his book, The Origin of Species, where he talked all about the theory of evolution through natural selection. In addition, we also learned about modeled structures, which refers to body parts that are different in functions but has the same origin, while the analog structure is the other way around. And that's about it for evolution.
Biodiversity is a term that describes how varied living things are. Organisms are part of biodiversity and may be economically or ecologically valuable. The value of species is divided into various groups: the indirect economic value, and direct economic value, and aesthetic value. Population is a group of organisms of the same species that live in a certain area. A population's growth is limited by two factors: the density-dependent and density-independent factors.
Don't be too GC, people. Remember that biology is not only about studying how life works, but actually it's more of how you deal with it. Because if you're going to deal with studying biology with all the stress, with all the problems, with all the worries, then you won't get anywhere. You need to remember to be patient with the topics and have fun studying biology, because biology is fun if you do it the right way.
Repeat after me, people. Biology is fun. Biology is fun.
You need to understand that biology is important to our lives.
So, Sir James, are you with me? Stay with me, Sir James, and let's study biology.
And that's a wrap, people.
From Biotime, a Pisces production.
Thank you, Sir James, and goodbye.